Back again, guys. You don't know. From a see the face, you hear the voice, you know the Irons boss. Welcome to the Irons TV. Fresh and cool. I'm not going to say school. I wouldn't want. Viewer subscriber. It's a new year. So what you know? That we bring a new style to the team. But guess what? At the same corner with the same way, the self-improvement corner. You know, change that. Because guess what going? From you have life, you have to improve on yourself. Make it better for you. So right now, to them have a co-host who is actually invisible. Yeah? But you hear a beautiful voice. No problem. Sasha. You know what I mean? So me and her out here right now, I will put some questions together. Forward to you guys. And as I already, leave your opinion and tell me what you think about it. Likewise, me are going to my few cents on what you think about it. So if you are a subscriber, make we jump right into it. Yeah. So guess what? The topic for today is,
do you overlook details?
right there and then. In life, some small things up. Enough time to overlook them. Even me see them way. But as me say, we are improving ourselves. So likewise, we want to use the same thing too. So guess what we want to know? What's the first one?
Your health.
Alright. Health is a very important thing. Because guess what we want to know? Without health, it's like it's not possible to make it not happen. There will be no life if you have a good health. So I guess what we want to know. Even when you chase the dream and chase the money, health is a must because watch out. You're going to need that energy. You're going to need that strength to make it work. So guess what go on? Proper sleep, good diet, them things there. We might just pray say yo, me a eat for your belly full. No, healthy things, vitamin and them things there. You know what I mean? Regular exercise and keep the thing going. It's like having a car. You have to change the oil regularly to make it work right? This part and them things, they tire them. So guess what? With you in yourself, make it work. For a longer lifespan, you have to work on the health part and not for it. Be that small. Because only thing in your mind, you eat for your belly full. If you eat, you survive and you live. Health-wise. So what's the next one for me to do?
Your origin.
So guess what we want now? Your origin is basically where you're far from. So as me that talk about the health and get the riches now. But guess what we want now? What if we when we start make the money, we forget where we're far from. We forget family members. Even though life power the obstacles with something every situations man because the mentality and them style you can't stay around them. But if you in yourself understand and can fix them and have that unity there within, that will be good. You know what I mean? You never forget where you're far from. As we always sing in our dancehall song. Now run like a place. You have to stay put.
Appearance.
And guess what go on now? As I always telling about fresh and cool, don't feel like that's a simple style I always say. I mean that and believe in that because guess what? Not because I might poor, you go see me and can judge me. And not because you poor, that means you must act like the worst or you know put yourself together. You know what I mean? You have to have some pride to the thing. You know what I mean? You have to have self-esteem, not because, as I said before, not because the poor, they go real one kind of way, or as them always say, not because you're far from the ghetto, you go act like the ghetto. Remember, you know, check Jamaican history, check the world history. Some of the most successful people, them far from the ghetto. And because what? They never act like, because them far from the ghetto, them go big like the ghetto. You can step out and be different. You know what I mean? At a level that I think that you have to build up the self-confidence within you and make it work. Check it out.
The next one is your values.
Right there and then, as me said, your value. Right now, it just play to be, as me say, you fall from the get the same way. You have to value yourself. Even if you have other believed in yourself and know so what you might have $1 today, but here upon in your mind, more than 30 million. If you keep that belief, I better get it. Because guess what? You go work towards it. And you tell yourself what you deserve and what you value. you go push yourself, you see me? To
Not
reach to
only
that point.
that, not only that, it also has to do with really what you stand for. So
Alright.
yes.
Explain.
So really and truly, it's like if you have certain things that you stand for, don't make because of somebody else or what somebody else might think, their opinion.
Yeah, so what she trying to say actually is not because you don't believe in what me I do, but make me stop do it. If you believe in you, you make it. So watch out, you go do it, make you proud. If you put that energy into your product, I bet it work out for you. Just like how you that promote the next man thing. So believe in yourself and value your thing and do it, and you see the return.
The next one is definitely your different personalities.
Alright. Different personality actually.
You have to accept everybody for who they are.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to explain now and say. Different personality actually come in different terms because like what's going on now? In terms of if they're on your friend them. If them personality and them feelings, you have to understand that. While them have to understand my now. Relationship wise with a woman and so forth. Them have to understand you while me understand them. You see me? Because like how me can face our friend right now and me can know what he would reply to me and say if he say this. So if you have people around you, you have to understand them personality and how them feel about things. You know what I mean? Relationship wise same way. Them things they have to work on that and understand because it won't work out because if only you have to understand you and only want it the way how you want it to be, it's not going to work out that you can adjust to and make it work out be the same way. Because, so for example, in a relationship right now, and on the next hand, the person only wants it this way, which for you, it's brand new for you that way then. They not even want to try adjust, make it work for you.
They don't want to compromise.
They don't want to compromise. They want to come just change you into them. That would never work out. That is very much selfish. So people have to know them things they wouldn't like, make it work out. Right there and there.
And last but not least, you have to have some fun, take some breaks.
Alright. We are every day thinking about riches and thinking about this and hard work and everything. I'm going to say one thing before I say this. Before I explain to that point. The point that I try to get here. People, don't wait until you get rich to have fun. You may not rich, you may not live long. Because you go always have the mental of just working hard. You have to take some time out of the day and have a little laughter. Every day, every now and again. A weekend time, no matter how small it be. If you even have one dream, can you take a sip right now? At least that, you know what I mean? People always say, work hard, hard work make it. No. Smart. You have to work smart to make it. People work hard and work hard until they're dead. And they make it yet because they never work smart. You know what I mean? So right there, as I said, are the new year. And them things there are just someone in the start of a new era. Just improve and understand them things there. Understand you, understand people, understand the circle. And that's how it actually work out for you. Leave a comment in the comment section, your opinion. For the first time tuning to the Answering TV, subscribe, so it's always open. Hit that post notification bell. You know what I mean? At the Answering TV, I'm out.